Today I'm going to present my project on misinformation on migraines. Today I'm going to debunk the misinformation on migraines. As you all know, migraines are a common condition that affect over 148 million people in the world. I'm going to hit 3 migraine myths and explain the truth for each one. To start off with, the myth that all migraines is just a headache. This is not true. It's good to know that not all migraines involve a headache. Though headaches are part of migraines, they are distinct in their nature and impact. Migraines are neurological conditions that involve more than just head pain. Dr. Migraine explained, migraine is actually a primary headache disorder and is much more than just a headache. In fact, headaches are only one symptom of migraines, and some migraines don't have headaches at all. A person with migraine rather than a headache will experience a combination of the following: moderate to severe pounding or throbbing that feels as if it engulfs the entire head, or shifts from one side of the head to the other. Heightened sensitivity to sound, smell, or even light. Visible troubles, including blurriness, bright or flashing dots, or wavy or jagged lines. Abdominal problems, which can include loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, or unsettling stomach, are all signs of migraines. Next is that caffeine causes migraines. Caffeine isn't a cause of migraine, but it is able to be a trigger for some people. From the words of Dr. Michael, excess use of caffeine can trigger migraine. However, caffeine in general can help alleviate headaches, including migraine headaches. Even though caffeine doesn't cause migraines, it's important to highlight that caffeine overuse may lead to migraine chronifications, and sudden caffeine withdrawals may trigger migraine attacks. The final point of reference to debunk is how people say migraines aren't serious. This is completely not true. Even though most migraines aren't serious, chronic and sometimes debilitating and disabling, if not adequately treated, this explained by Dr. McKell again. It's also good to know that not all migraine types are equal. For example, a migraine called hemiplegic migraine that tends to be familial, associated with neurological symptoms or symptoms preceding to migraine, and can lead to stroke. However, Dr. McKell is quick to point out that hemiplegic migraines causes weakness or paralysis on one side of the body is rare, affecting over around 0.01% of the population. In most cases, the paralysis goes away within hours or days. However, in some rare cases, the migraine can cause lasting paralysis. Even though the majority of migraines aren't serious, it's good to know that there are some that out there that are. Now that I have debunked the misinformation about migraines, we have better knowledge of this headache.